Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you some sensory bin ideas that you can do for the 4th of July. Let's get going. So if you're looking for a sensory bin idea for the summertime in your classroom, or if you are having a 4th of July party and want to have some activities for your kiddos and their friends to play with, check out these sensory bin ideas that you can pull together easily and the kids will have fun playing with. First, let's start with our bases. For the 4th of July, I came up with 3 different ideas. You could use Play-Doh, streamers, or rice. So for these bins, you could use small scoops. I found some small patriotic pails and stars at my local dollar store, popsicle sticks, and then also some small red, white, and blue soft balls. So what you're going to do is take each of these bases and put each of these items in the base to make a sensory bin. So you can use the same items in each bin. This makes it real easy to pull together 3 bins really quick. And just a real quick note, for your streamers, you're going to cut them either in long strips or into small squares, which is what I did. So check out how I put these bins together. Thanks for watching those, and let me know in the comments how you and your family like to celebrate the 4th of July. If you want to check out some other fun 4th of July activities and art projects that you can do with your kiddos, check out this playlist here. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more activities and art projects that I come out with in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy 4th of July.